Hey tech friends, welcome back in tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to create account on a GitHub. So in this, we will learn one of the easiest and step-by-step process to create account of GitHub. So let's dive into our video. So first of all, open your GitHub application on mobile device. But if you not downloaded that application on mobile device, you have to go and check. I made one video on that. You can get everything. So now you can see here I already opened that application. Inside that, now we can see here sign in to github.com. So you have to tap on this. I already created an account for that, so I will show through that. But if you not created, now we can see here sign in option is there. You can tap on this by giving your email address and password. So I'll give one. So now it's signing. So it will send one verification code on your email ID. So you have to go and copy that and you have to paste here. So after that verifying, it will create an account for your GitHub. So in this way you can create the account for the GitHub. So you can upload many things like if you have made any project or if you are doing practice related to any programming language and all. So you can push in that. So that is very important for programmers and coders. So in this way you can create the account for this GitHub. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.